Axios is an hypertext transfer protocol client for JavaScript. It's a promise-based library that allows you to make hypertext transfer protocol requests from browsers and Node.js. Basically, it helps your JavaScript code communicate with web servers. Axios offers several advantages. First, it's promise-based, which means it uses JavaScript promises for writing cleaner asynchronous code. Second, it provides request and response interceptors, allowing you to transform requests and responses automatically. Third, it handles JavaScript object notation, that is JSON data, automatically parsing and stringifying it for you. Finally, it offers better error handling with detailed error objects, making debugging easier. You can install Axios in a couple of ways. If you're using Node Package Manager, that is NPM, you can run the command npm install Axios. Alternatively, you can include Axios in your project using a content delivery network, that is CDN, by adding the script tag shown here to your hypertext markup language, that is HTML file. Here's how to make a basic GET request using Axios. First, import Axios from the Axios library. Then, use the await_axios.get function, passing in the uniform resource locator, that is URL of the resource you want to retrieve. The response will contain the data from the server. To handle errors, you can wrap the request in a try-catch block and log the error message if something goes wrong. To create data on a server using a POST request, first define the new user object with properties like name and email. Then use the await_axios.post function, passing in the uniform resource locator, that is URL, and the new user object. You can also include headers in your request, such as content type, application/JSON, to specify the format of the data being sent. Axios allows you to configure your requests using a config object. This object can include properties like method, uniform resource locator, that is URL, timeout, and headers. You can also pass query parameters with your GET requests by including a params object with properties like page, limit, and sort. The Axios response object contains several key properties. Response.data contains the response body. Response.status contains the hypertext transfer protocol, that is HTTP status code. Response.headers contains the response headers, and response.config contains the request configuration. You can access these properties to get information about the response. For example, you can log the status code and the user array from the response data. Thank you. Axios makes hypertext transfer protocol requests simple with its promise-based application programming interface, automatic JavaScript object notation handling, and powerful configuration options. Start building with Axios today. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.